Hello Nissan fans. So I got this Choro-Q Nissan 350Z. I think it's a blind boxed package. You know, here's the box it came in. It's from 2002, but it's got a lock and no indication saying Nissan or anything like that. So I have no idea what these things cost when they're new, but that's an interesting packaging for me. Alright, this is what was in there. I had a little plastic wrapper on it as well. So it's a nice but metallic blue. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Here's the super deformed proportions. Alright. And yeah, the taillights are painted on. They look alright. Okay, so it says number 17 of the Choro-Q line. And then on the bottom probably says, yep, 2002. So I think that box might have been the right one. You'll notice this white gunk or whatever, but you just wipe it off and the tire looks new again. So that's not an issue if you see that when you buy these things. Alright, well, yeah, here's the nice metallic blue. A little door handle raised up there. Quality problem there. This is kind of not nice to look at. Well, it was a opened box, so maybe this is used. Maybe it was played with by someone. The Nissan badge here is raised, but it's not painted. There's the grill. Okay. Those little, what are these things? Reflectors on the real car, maybe? This side has the fuel filler door there. You'll notice that the panel gaps are really tight on this. And then painted red, so that's nice. And then, oh, there's a little wiper blade back there molded in. And you can see the gear motor there. I think this is all one continuous piece of plastic, just painted in the appropriate places. So I think these headlights are probably smoked as well. Yeah, you can see through it, so that's kind of neat. Alright, well, we're going to do a wheel swap here. I found some wheels online. They're 3D printed, but then I 3D printed my own brakes because they didn't come with any brakes in them. Let's get this guy off. Yep, there's the construction there. It's really well done. Alright, the front axle is trapped by the motor, so that stuff can go away. And then I have my own 3D printed motor shell, so that's going to snap in there. That screw go. So, these are the wheels I got. These are Enkei RPF1s. You can see the little lines in them, so that's how you can tell some of those 3D printed. That's like a layer of printing, those lines. But then I put in those brakes here, and they have I painted the calipers metallic blue, just like this car. So I have some Potafix Pro putty here, and they're just going to stick right onto that motor housing that I popped in there. So there's one. Where's this front brake? Alright. Alright, so that caliper's down the right place, but I just twist it so the putty will move. Go. So I'm going to pinch at the top a little bit, give the wheel some camber. That Tooned JDM style. Yeah, well, alright, so this wheel's not forward enough, but the putty, it's really easy to fix. There we go. Yeah, that wheel's not forward enough either. Okay, there we go. So let's take a look at a couple other models and do some comparisons here. I don't actually have a 1/64 scale 350Z, a normal one. So these are the closest things I have. This silver one is by Konami, or Aoshi, let me see. Yeah, it's a Konami. So that's the 300ZX, and I put some Inno 64 wheels on that thing. And then this black one is by Kyosho. It's a Super GT racing version. Okay. So go to the top view here. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other ChoroQ size vehicles here. So here's a Nissan 240ZG. There we go. Oh, the hood opens on that one. And that one has some 3D printed wheels of, they're called Hoshi, boy, I forget what Advan, I think those are Advan wheels. And then here's a 300ZX. So these are all made by ChoroQ, Takara. Okay. Let's get this guy spinning on its own. Alright, so I like this one. You know, this one it has a really nice paint job. And then the fact that the headlights are also transparent a little bit really makes it a tiny bit more realistic, if you could even say that about a cartoon car. So, yeah, I like it. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch. See ya.